Welcome to No Friday, guys. Today we're looking at Castle Vehicle Servicing. It's a company that's based in Northampton. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Stoyan from the marketing. We're helping businesses get more customers, get more paying customers with their website, with their Google business profiles from better rankings on Google. And in Tuno Fridays, what we're doing is we're trying to give suggestions to business owners that they can implement to their website, to their Google business profiles. That's gonna help them get more rankings, like get better rankings and respectively get more customers. So today, as I mentioned, we're looking at Castle Vehicle Servicing and looking at their website. So I first explored it in Ahrefs to see if they have like any rankings, and they do have some rankings. And the website on its own, so at the very start, it has like a blank section here. So I don't know if this is a temporary glitch. I've checked it in a couple of other browsers and it's still opening like that. So if you see anything like that on your websites, just make sure that you don't have like that kind of blank spaces, because they might make users just jump off from your website. Anyway, so scrolling down here the website, you can see that they have lots of information. They have lots of services listed here. They talk about tires, wheel alignments, about mechanical repairs. They talk about MOT and servicing. So I've explored those pages. They look okay. And they have lots of articles here as well. And so I can make a few suggestions here that are gonna improve the conversions of the website, because they're already getting some traction, some traffic. And one of those is going to be, because they have information about the Google business profile, where it's located, like where their location actually, and on that location there is a Google business profile. So my suggestion is going to be if they can put a link from here to the Google business profile, because first it's a trust signal to Google, because you're interlinking the website and the Google property. And then it's going to be more convenient for users that are exploring their website to go from here directly to the Google business profile, rather than having to type it on manually on Google search. Something else that I can suggest here is they have, as I mentioned, lots of services, but some of those can be broken down into more services. So they can talk about if they're doing like GPF cleaning, so they can talk about that. If they're it's gonna fall under like the mechanical repairs. If they're doing clutches or gearboxes or exhaust, so all of those services, people are looking for those. So if you have a service page for each of those, then it's more likely for users to land on your website rather than on a competitor's website. And something else that I want to suggest here is that since this business is a local business and it has a physical location, it makes sense if they have probably somewhere in the footer area, they can embed a map with their Google business profile, and that embed is going to have the name of their Google business profile, the reviews, button to directions, and again, it's going to make it easier for users to get in touch with them and to see a bit more information. And when you go to mobile, I'll shrink it a little bit more. You can see that you don't obviously see a mobile phone number. So you'll have to click here in the menu, which doesn't seem to be okay. It doesn't seem to be working quite well on mobile. But say it was. It's better if you have a sticky phone number somewhere at the top, or if you have a floating icon probably here on the bottom right corner, because again, it's going to make it easier for users to directly get in touch with you to make a booking. It all depends on what your goal is in terms of how you want to convert the traffic, because for some users for some businesses it might be that they want more calls, others might want more bookings, third might want more people chatting with them, so there could be a chat option here, chat widget. And yeah, pretty much that's what I want to suggest here. If anyone wants to see their website featured here in one of those series, you can just comment below the video, or you can just Google marketing KOIK and get in touch with us. Cheers for now.